To make this popcorn in the microwave, you just press a button. But what if that power had to come from Cyclists? Your average microwave is a power-hungry appliance. It needs about 1200 watts to run. That's a lot of energy all at once. A professional cyclist can sustain an incredible output of about 300 watts. A regular, fit person might only manage 150 to 200. So let's use the pros to be fair. The math is simple but brutal. If one pro gives 300 watts, you'd need 4 elite cyclists pedaling at their absolute limit, just to power the microwave for the full 3 minutes. 4 of the world's fittest athletes, giving it their all, just for one bag of popcorn. It really makes you appreciate that wall outlet, doesn't it? Like and subscribe for more.